rather than use the metalworking terms for the faces on the knife tool, which may be unknown to some. I am using the simple terms side, top and end. We start then with the side face, which requires the rest to be set up for 2 angles. We now see the first angle being set up by tilting the table. For the second angle, the swivel plate is used and set up using an engineer's protractor or a simple card as used for the first angle. Having set the 2 angles, the table now has to be moved to its working position, but leaving the X and Y table adjustments to set the final position. Also, setting the fence at a slight angle to ensure grinding takes place only on the corner of the wheel. To check this, I am ensuring that the measurements being taken are 1 millimeter or 2 greater at the rear, the angle not being critical. The next stage is to grind the cutter's end face, being very little different from grinding the side face, with there being just 2 angles to be set up. The video does show though that the rest has been moved to the side and the cutter holder being set up across the swivel plate rather than along its length. Note also the position of the fence. For the top and final face, the setup differs in that there is just 1 angle to be set. Also, as the face slopes across the cutter, there is a step between the face being ground and the tool bit's shank. Because of this, the fence needs to have a stop fitted to avoid the cutter's step hitting the corner of the grinding wheel. Otherwise, the process is very similar to the first 2 faces, and the video should make this clear. Let us now put the cutter to the test. I will finish by comparing a setup seen earlier with the same task being performed using my basic rest.